Here's my audience. Was there ever a time that you needed to make a treat that was quick, easy, and on the go and didn't know what to make? Well, puppy chow is the perfect snack to make. It is one of my favorite treats that my mom would always make when I was growing up, and we would make it every time we would go on a road trip, like a tradition. It's just 5 ingredients in 3 simple steps, and you have yourself a delicious treat. So the first thing you need to do is gather your ingredients. You will need a large bowl and a large spoon. I like to use a whipping rubber spatula. It's easier. You'll need 1 cup. You will need a medium-sized pot and a regular-sized spoon and a brown paper sack. And the food items you will need are 1 box of toasted rice cereal or Crispix. You'll need a full bag of milk chocolate chips, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 box of powdered sugar. It says 2 to 3 cups, but I just get a 16-ounce box, and I use that whole thing. You can use however much you want, though. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, the first thing you need to do is melt them. You are going to melt the milk chocolate chips, the peanut butter, and the stick of butter. You'll put it all in the pan at once, and you will, I already made mine because it takes a few minutes to melt, but you will put them all in, and you'll put it on medium. If you put it on high, you will burn the bottom of it. And you need to consistently stir it until everything is melted and it's all nice and smooth. So now that you have that melted, it's time to mix it with the cereal. So you'll take the box of cereals and you will pour it into the big bowl. Now you will take the mix and you will pour it over the top. This is when the rubber spatula works good to scrape off the bottom of the pot. Now you will stir the cereal in the mix until it is evenly coated. It takes a couple minutes to do that. And since the chocolate is still hot, you can either choose to let it sit out for a couple hours to cool off. But you don't have to. I mean, I don't like to wait, and it only makes the powdered sugar melt over the top of it. Now it is all evenly stirred. And it will look a lot like this. Now that you have the chocolate stirred in, you will need to mix it with the powdered sugar. So I will put all of the cereal into this brown paper sack. Now you're going to put the powdered sugar in the sack with the cereal. I'm just going to pour half of the powdered sugar in there and mix it up, shake it up, and then I'll pour the other half in. You're gonna roll up the top of the bag so it doesn't leak out. Usually you still get a leak sometimes, but yeah. We're just gonna shake it. Have the rest of it poured in. And now it is all evenly coated. It will look a lot like this, but you can put as much powdered sugar on as you want. I have a lot, but I'm a powdered sugar lover. And now it's done. You can pour it into a large bowl if you're taking it to a party, or what we would do is put it in two big Ziploc bags for when we go on our road trips. So with 5 ingredients and 3 simple steps, you have yourself a delicious treat. And now you know that puppy chow is a great treat to make that is easy and on the go. There's my audience.